Welcome to my channel Online Earning Course. In this video we learn about how to earn money online through Instagram. Let's play.
Shocking Instagram marketing facts to consider. As popular as Instagram is as a platform, both for personal use and for doing business, there is a lot of stuff that is under most marketers' radar. Here are some of the most inspiring Instagram marketing facts that you should consider when creating your own profit-generating campaigns. Over 700 million people use Instagram on a monthly basis, with 400 million of those active on a daily basis, making it one of the largest online audiences that any business can aspire to reach. Instagram posts earn 58 times more engagement per follower than Facebook posts on average, and 120 times more engagement per follower than Twitter posts, making it a must in your social networks to be in list. Instagram users share an average of 95 million photos and videos on a daily basis, with even more expected growth in the coming years. 60% of Instagram users have said that they have learned about a new product or service thanks to posts on the platform. 80% of Instagram users are from outside the United States, which represents a big opportunity for businesses to reach a global audience. 31% of American women use Instagram, outnumbering the 24% of American men using the platform, which is great news, especially if your business targets the younger female demographic. Currently, a whopping 48% of US-based brands use Instagram for marketing purposes, and that percentage is expected to grow to 70% by the end of 2017. 75% of Instagram users take action after seeing a promoted post. Such actions are driven by calls to action on these promoted posts, such as website visits, which means that, on average, your business has a higher chance of converting followers into customers by being on Instagram. In this sense, B2C businesses, or business-to-customer businesses, are the ones that benefit the most from being on Instagram. This is mostly due to the fact that buying a pair of sunglasses is an easier decision to make for a potential customer after seeing a beautiful picture of them on Instagram. Brands with Instagram accounts surpassing the 100,000 followers mark have grown a whopping 163% in just 2 years. So make sure to take advantage of what you will learn in this training to make those numbers grow for you as well. The secret behind why marketing on Instagram is such a successful strategy can be explained with science, as Instagram has devised a platform that allows its users to process content 60,000 times faster through image posts than, say, simple text ads, with people remembering 80% of your marketing message in your Instagram promoted posts. There is a very specific set of hashtags that have been determined to be the best for marketing campaigns on Instagram, including hashtag contest alert, hashtag sweepstakes, hashtag giveaway, hashtag discount, hashtag travel, hashtag deal, and hashtag small biz. Instagram walkthrough. Hey there, dear friends. So far, it's been an educational roller coaster, as we are sure that there was a lot of stuff that you didn't know about Instagram up until this point. And now that you know what Instagram is all about, it is about time that you learn how to use it from the inside out. And there's nothing better than an introductory walkthrough to get you started. Okay. So let's start right on the app's main login screen, where you'll be asked to either enter your phone number, your email address, or your username, as well as your password to log into your Instagram account. In our case, we are going to log in with our username, so we enter it in the corresponding field. Then enter our password and tap on the login button. Awesome! Now you're going to be taken to your Instagram feed. In your feed, you will be able to see what others are posting in chronological order by scrolling down. And stories are featured on top, as you can see here. You can identify which account posted a post by looking at the profile icon on the upper left above the post image. And by tapping on the three-dotted button on the right, you will be able to report a post, to use copy link to save a post link and share it, to turn on post notifications, and to share on WhatsApp. Below the post image, you will be able to see how many likes a post has. And below the number of likes, you will be able to see the post text and the comments left by users on the post. Let's now take a look at how you can interact with posts in your feed. On the lower left, there are 3 icons. The heart-shaped icon will allow you to like a post. The dialogue icon will allow you to leave a comment on the post. And the paper plane icon will allow you to send a post to your Instagram contacts by selecting them and then tapping on send. The bookmark icon on the lower right will allow you to add posts to your collection. Note that you can revert any of these actions by re-tapping over any of those icons. Okay, let's now check the features outside your feed, starting with the options available on top. Tapping on the notification number on the right will allow you to check your direct messages. Please note that once you are ready to exit a section, you will simply have to tap on the arrow button located on either side of the screen. In this section, we're going to tap on the arrow on the left to exit and move to the next section. Right, now by tapping on the camera icon on the left, you will be able to either take a picture or film a short video that you can directly share on Instagram. We are going to teach you how to use these features in detail in the following section. So let's tap on the arrow icon to go back to the feed for the time being. Okay, let's now check the icons located on the menu at the bottom of the screen. Let's start by tapping on the profile icon, which will take you to your user dashboard. The first things that you will be able to see are your number of posts, your number of followers, and the number of accounts that you are following, as well as your uploads as a gallery below. By tapping on the list icon, you will be able to see your uploads as large images or videos in list form. By tapping on the profile type icon beside the list icon, you will be able to check posts where you've been tagged in, and tapping on the bookmark icon will show you your saved posts and collections. Tapping on the three-dotted button on the upper right corner will take you to your account options, from where you will be able to manage how you invite friends and how you follow people. Here you will also be able to edit your account and your settings. In this section, you will also be able to get support, to get detailed information about Instagram, to clear search history, to add accounts, and to log out. We'll take a deeper look at these options in a later video, so let's just go back. Tapping on the plus profile icon will allow you to discover more people on Instagram. In this section, you will be able to find suggested contacts. You will be able to connect to Facebook and to connect with people that you might already know who are also on Instagram. Okay, let's now go back and tap on the icon on the left, from where you will be taken to the archive section, where you will find a collection of your archive posts. Let's now tap on the Edit Your Profile button. Tapping on this button will take you to the Edit Profile section, from where you'll be able to edit your profile info, including your name, your username, your website, and your bio. From this same section, you will be able to try Instagram Business Tools. Let's not forget that you will also be able to change your profile photo by tapping on Change Photo. Okay, now that we have looked at everything inside the account dashboard, let's tap on the heart-shaped icon. Here you will find two tabs. In the following tab, you will be able to see how the profiles that you are following are interacting with others. On the You tab, you will be able to see how you are interacting with other profiles. The plus icon in the middle is perhaps the one that you'll be using the most, as that is the button that will allow you to quickly upload stuff to Instagram. When you tap on it, you will be taken to the gallery section by default, from where you'll be able to upload images and videos from your device to Instagram. Tapping on the Photo tab will allow you to take a snapshot, and tapping on the Video tab will allow you to film, save, and upload a quick video. Tapping on the Search icon will take you to the Search section. In this section, you will be able to search for trending posts as recommended by Instagram, and to use the search bar on top to look for posts using your own keywords and criteria. Lastly, tapping on the Home icon will simply take you back to your updated feed. And that is it. Tune in to the following section so we can show you how to use your Instagram account as a powerful marketing tool the right way.